Why are 97% of people failing with solo ads? Well, there's two reasons. They're either being sold junk traffic or they don't have a proven system for turning solo ads traffic into buyers. Dave Espino here, and as a digital marketer for over 27 years, I've seen it all. Recently, I met a brilliant systems engineer named Anil Krishna. And because Anil is an engineer, he looks at traffic like an engineering challenge. When he showed me the results he was getting with solo ads, I knew we had to bring this awesome traffic generation program to you. Solo ads are simple. You're buying a one-time ad that gets sent out to someone's big and profitable email list. It's an incredible way to get instant traffic and instant sales because you're basically borrowing that list owner's credibility and you can now drive that traffic to any offer you want. The problem is, most people treat solo ads like gambling. They buy hundreds of clicks for cheap and then they hope for the best. But Anil is different. He built what he calls a freedom stack. He basically engineered a way to filter out the spammy bots, to find the vendors with the highest quality clicks, and he built a 90-day roadmap for newbies to solo ads that actually works. The result? Anil's not just getting traffic, he's building a predictable sales machine. When you apply Anil's Freedom Stack system to build your buyer list, the sky's the limit. Building an email list is how I've been able to make big six-figure incomes every year. Because I believe email marketing and list building is the #1 thing you can do to make big income, I asked Anil to package his entire solo ads list building strategy into one simple program. This strategy is so simple that even if you've never sent an email in your life, you can follow his blueprint step by step and start seeing results fast. So today, we're excited to bring you the Solo Ads Freedom Stack. Inside this amazing solo ads training, you're getting a step-by-step roadmap and Anil's specially vetted vendor goldmine so that you only get solo ads from the best vendors, the ones that deliver solid buyer traffic. And then on top of that, during this special launch phase, we've decided to add 5 high-value bonuses that will help ensure your success. You'll see those bonuses down below on this page. So if you're ready to get instant traffic on demand using solo ads, then click the button below. Let's build your traffic empire together.